Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Google Fi device protection. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to search this term on internet and you can see this is the first option, like cancel Google Fi protection answer. This is Google support page. Okay, and once you visit on this page you will see there is a, you can say, like note like cancel coverage. Okay, so you can see over here on the Google Fi website, go on your plan, you can select this option, and once you select this option it will ask you to log in into your account. You need to log in into your account, the account by which you have purchased Google Fi device protection. Okay, and once you select this option it will redirect you on your device. You can select information and you can select your device, and you can under device protection you can select get support, and under get support you can select cancel coverage. So this is the information, and all the information is available on this page, and you can read all the information and you can cancel your Google Fi protection device. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.